In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download responses as CSV direct download from Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean portable data file you can open in spreadsheets or upload to other tools. A quick note before we begin. You'll need edit access to the form, and you should be signed into the account that owns it. Start by opening your form in Google Forms in your web browser. You'll see two main areas across the top: questions and responses. Click the Responses tab in the top center. This is where all submitted answers are summarized. Even if you haven't linked the form to a spreadsheet, you can still grab a raw data file directly from here. Look to the top right of the Responses section for the More icon. It's the three vertical dots, not the browser menu. Click that, and from the list that appears, choose Download Responses, CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It's a plain text format that stores your data in rows and columns and works with Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and most data analysis tools. It's ideal when you want a lightweight, widely compatible snapshot of your form results. When you select the download option, Google will generate a zip file that contains your responses in CSV format. This zip file is just a compressed container to keep the download small and tidy. Save it to a location you'll remember, such as your Downloads folder or a project folder. The file name typically includes your form's title to help you recognize it later. To view the spreadsheet, you must extract the zip. On most computers, you can double-click the zip to open it and then drag the CSV file out to your desktop or a folder. If your system shows an extract option, use that to unpack the contents first. Once extracted, open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet app. If you're prompted about separators or encoding, choose comma as the delimiter and UTF-8 for clean characters. A few helpful tips as you review the data. Each response appears on its own row, with question titles as column headers. Checkbox questions may list multiple selections in a single cell, separated by commas. If there are no responses yet, your file may be empty or only show headers, so consider waiting until you've collected some entries. Finally, treat your CSV with care. It may contain private or sensitive answers, so store it securely and share only with people who need access. That's all there is to it. Open your form, head to Responses, use the More menu, download as CSV, and extract the zip to view your data.